Yo, we back with another video.
And today we have a new order. So let's get into the video. So this is going to be a quick one. So these are the Air Jordan 12 Retro Indigo. I think that's how you say it. Maybe. But these are what we getting shipped out. So let's go ahead and get these a look through. Make sure we all good before we actually get them packed. So now I'm gonna go take both these to my little station and get them plastic wrapped. Okay, since we got that done, we're gonna go ahead and get these in the box correctly and then start the process of getting them boxed and shipped out. Quick reminder, so if you're buying from us, you're getting anything for a steal because I got them for a steal, so I'm gonna give them to you for a steal. So now it's time to look for the right size box. Okay, now let's look for it. Here we go. So I'm gonna put this in there, get the bubble wrap. Gotta make sure you have the bubble wrap tight. Get it boxed up, and now we're off to the post office.